Namaste, friends. Today we are not going to make any product, but have come before you with lots of love. What I wish to convey you all is that nowadays what we find is the aspect of love is missing everywhere. Even within our family members, we are lacking it. And what to talk about having good relationships with other outside members and society. There is the aspect of selfishness everywhere that we find. Our hearts and mind has become corrupted and everything has become dry externally as well as internally. Our skin, hair, everything is dry. The internal organs like uterus, the reproductive system, the digestive system is all dried up. Just like the barren lands, the soil has dried up and lost all the capacity to absorb nutrients and produce good yields. Same way, our internal body and the external skin has just lost the capacity to absorb these valuable nutrients. So, how much ever we sit in the sun, we are not able to absorb that vitamin D, right? How much ever nutritious food we are consuming, it is not getting into our system. So, we need this aspect of lubrication and inclusion of love in our life. How can we get that? It is a big question, right? But there is a trick. When we include good fats and oils like ghee, yogurt, buttermilk, nuts, seeds, and their milks, which are highly rich in omega 3 fatty acids, alpha linolenic acids, our HDL cholesterol will improve. To make these nut milks, we need to just soak them in water, rinse them, and grind and filter to use. If we would like to use them in dry form, just soak them again in water and rinse them, shade dry them, and sun dry them by covering them with a cloth to use. To use these nuts and seeds in oil form, select cold pressed or wooden pressed ghani oils and use them as per your nature. That is, if your body is of hot nature like burning eyes or bleeding internally, then use coconut oil. Otherwise, if it is having lot of cold and cough symptoms or body pains, then use sesame oil for massage as well as to consume internally. Also, please remember these oils, when heated, will produce free radicals. So, it is better we don't heat them too much above their smoke point, and it is better to even give seasoning to our curries at the end after the vegetables are cooked. And if we need to use the seasoning in the beginning of the curry, then just add little bit of turmeric in the seasoning so that it will nullify the effect of free radical formation. Right, so just choosing the right oils is what is needed. And to season our dals and sambar, it is best to use our Vedic cow ghee made from A2 milk. Ghee has a very unique characteristic to kindle our Agni, that is the digestive fire, just like we use in fire rituals, and the ghee increases the fire of the ritual. Similarly, when we consume it internally, our digestive fire increases and we are able to digest the food in a better way. And with regard to the coconut and its products, it is very special because it has lauric acid which just digests in the mouth itself because of the sublingual lipase enzyme produced in the saliva. Not only that, it is antimicrobial, it helps to reduce inflammation in the body and heal our cells. It helps to have glowing skin and hair and nourish us from within. So, all these things, the food items, along with the physical benefits they give, the medicinal benefits, they will also come with their unique nature. So, the nature of bringing softness, kindness, sharing things with others, the aspect of love and sacrifice that the cow provides to the calf will naturally come to us when we consume them. So that is the trick. See what happens to the curd when we churn it by mixing some water. The other elements like the water, fire, air, space enter into it and makes it lighter. So that brings the lightness in our thoughts. It becomes easy to digest and also digest the other food items that we consume. That is why it is highly recommended to consume buttermilk after having lunch. Taking this probiotic rich drink is so wonderful that it also opens up all the energy channels in our body. Applying oil to the navel region is also so beneficial. It completely lubricates our body and nerves. See, nowadays we are all facing the problem of poor memory. We are not able to think well. We are not able to make right decisions in life. Mental problems. There is depression problem. We are having the issues of insomnia. So all these mental problems will be corrected. We better include these good fats in our life. Also, application of oils on our head, eyelids, navel region, and soles of our feet gives very sound sleep. They are highly rich in antioxidants and polyphenols that protect us from oxidative damage of our cells. Not only that, they are also helpful to modulate our microbiome and immune system. They help to release neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which help to improve our mood and memory. They also help to balance our hormones. So, our complete change of gene expression can happen and we can change completely for good. So these oils have lot of benefits. So even when we give the seasoning to our curries and dals, it will be amazing. People, kids will just come and want to eat food. And they also provide us with lots of energy. But again, anything excess will cause a problem. So just keep a limit on yourself and have a balanced diet. And try to make these delicious dishes at home as far as possible, because in restaurants we won't find this aspect of love, because they just make these food items for money and commercial purpose, and the oil used is also refined oils and they have been filtered again and again and reused, which we are all ignorant of, and we get into various health issues. Just come out of your fear, worry, and just enjoy these delicious foods and live a happy and healthy life. Our great rishis recommend to follow the principles of Ayurveda, and they call these good fats as having of the nature of sneha, which is friendship, as they completely become one with the item when used. They also enhance the effect of the item it is combined with without losing its own property. So, build this friendship with the 5 elements and everything around. We will just love the life. So, let us all enjoy and have a lovely life. Thank you.